Good morning. It's I think it's April 7th, 2019. This is John from Betty Nicks, your daily boating, fishing, weather conditions report. There's absolutely zero wind. A little damp this morning. It was foggy yesterday morning, burned right off. Gorgeous day from about 10:30 on yesterday, and should be the same thing today. Actually, I just figured out a new feature on my phone, so the picture should be even better. Wow, check that out. Well, for all you, and the water's perfect, absolutely clean, green, perfect white water. And then here's your hallmark moment. Not surprisingly, yesterday was the busiest fishing day of the year so far. Even with trout season opening, we had some guys on the beach yesterday. I expect more today, I would think. You didn't have that fog to deal with this morning. Everybody knew that today was going to be, as advertised, absolutely gorgeous. And we'll see if we start picking up some fish. My buddy over at A to Fishing A to Z said he smelled fish this morning, so we shall see. Have a great rest of your weekend.